Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Art in Hands. First of all, we are going to make a circle from a cardboard. Then we have to cut a square from cardboard. Then we are going to make lines on it and then we are going to cut it as shown in the video. Then we have to apply the glue with a brush on the cardboard. Then we are going to put the rectangular cardboard pieces on the circle cardboard as shown in the video. If you are enjoying this video, then like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel Art in Hands. Then we are going to paint the cardboard. To make it realistic, you can apply any color. Then I have cut my channel name on glitter sheet, but you can write anything as you wish. And then we are going to put it on the cardboard.